Let's discuss some of the key limitations of large language models, or LLMs, and why they don't yet represent artificial general intelligence, or AGI. While LLMs like GPT-4 and Palm are powerful for generating text, they're far from achieving true human-like intelligence. First, LLMs are built to predict and generate text based on the patterns in the data they're trained on, but they don't actually understand the content. They can respond to prompts about historical events or scientific concepts convincingly, yet they lack a true grasp of meaning or context. This absence of genuine comprehension is a core reason they fall short of AGI, which would require a model to understand concepts across domains and apply knowledge with real adaptability. Another limitation is in handling context over time. While LLMs can process large text inputs, they often struggle with long-term memory and coherence across lengthy exchanges. In a conversation, for instance, they may lose track of earlier details or show inconsistency. AGI, however, would need to engage in complex, sustained reasoning, dynamically integrating knowledge, and maintaining a stable awareness across different contexts. Moreover, LLMs lack self-awareness and intentionality. They may generate text that appears purposeful, but they have no intrinsic goals, beliefs, or motivations. True AGI would require a form of self-driven purpose, allowing it to set objectives and make autonomous decisions based on understanding, qualities entirely absent in LLMs. Lastly, while LLMs rely on vast datasets, they lack the ability to reason beyond their training. AGI would need continuous learning, the ability to interact with the world, and the flexibility to adapt independently to new situations. Without this, LLMs remain advanced tools within set boundaries, without the adaptability and broad capabilities that would define true general intelligence. Once again, thank you for your time. True AGI is still a long way off.